I got a fork in the road, which way to go? I don't know, I've never felt so cold when I'm alone, thinking that it's better you're gone. I'm on the ropes, get the feeling I don't wanna hold on. And all I wanna do is break free, but these demons in my head are only coming to get me. Believe me, guess the blame is all on Sydney, but I gotta get her out, I'll take her out like a kidney. Think I'm cutting, I'm bleeding, but I've been leaving this world. I'm leaving this girl, I'm tied in a knot and I can't breathe. I'm trying, I can't leave, I'm dying, I can't see. I've been staring at the words, but I know that I can't read. I'm flying with no reason, change with the season. I'm going by her house like a mouse, just cheesing and breezing. Baby, I just go where the wind blow. You didn't know I'm stuck in the cave like Flintstones and split rims. I get the feeling I can't roll where she go, limits all the places I can go. I can't blow like a hoe with her mouth closed. Garage flows, here I go to breaking the front door. I can't change, guess I gotta go with the plane and fly away, go away until I feel that I'm gone. I'll drop bombs, I'll be happy if you're rotting his arms and sound the alarm. I'll find him, I'll burn him like napalm. And I take a look around and only find that the plane's gone. Okay, mom, guess he can't scream with his face gone. I'll cook him like a chef, homie, do him like Raekwon. I'll bring him to the stage, throw him off like Akon. And it's the moment of truth. So here we go, another song, another day in the booth. Lock, loaded, aiming, I've been ready to shoot. And at the end of the day, you know I'm aiming at you.